Hello, we're out here at Labor Day Liftoff, and I am with Joe from the city of Colorado Springs. We have a fantastic initiative to help connect our community, help neighbors get to know each other. So Joe is going to tell us a little bit more about this.
Yeah, so we're out here promoting the 1,000 Neighborhood Gatherings Initiative, which is a citywide campaign to host 1,000 neighborhood gatherings by September 28th. We're currently at about 700. We have about a month left in the campaign. The campaign is really about getting neighbors to connect with one another with the goal of addressing isolation and loneliness. We know that knowing as few as 6 of your neighbors helps decrease those levels, and we know that strong neighborhood connections create a strong city. So it's really a great campaign to get to know your neighbor, not just for the emergencies, but also for getting that egg when you're making those goodies over the holiday weekend. And we know that our city just more vibrant we have those strong neighborhoods.
Yes, and you actually encourage people to go online and register for their gathering.
Yes.
So that's easy to do.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you've hosted a neighborhood gathering at any point this summer, you can register that. Or if you plan to host one between now and September 28th, you can also go register that. It's really easy to do. You can go to coloradosprings.gov/1000gatherings to register it. When you register it, you'll get some free swag from the campaign, including a t-shirt, a Know Your Neighbor magnet, stickers, and some other stuff just about neighboring and mental health in the community, and we'll ship that right to your door, and it's a great way to get involved in our city.
That is awesome. Well, thank you. I love living here. It's initiatives like this that help bring our community together because we don't want people to feel isolated. And a gathering is how many people?
Gathering can be as few as just a couple folks next door, all the way to shutting down the whole block.
A block party.
The whole neighborhood. It can be super easy. Doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you go to the website where you register, there's also toolkits to help you plan your gathering. Anything from lunch on your porch or donuts on the driveway to getting the permits to do a block party.
Well, thank you so much. I am going to register mine today. I'm hosting one next weekend. Can't wait. And I hope this gives you some encouragement to just get to know your neighbors better and love where you live.